I got a very important question to ask you.
Are you thinking about selling, but worried you won't be able to find a replacement home leaving you homeless? Guess what? You're not alone, and it's something I hear all the time. Never fear, I've got good news for you. There are solutions for selling your home and finding a replacement, even with limited inventory here in Williamson County. Hi, my name is Omar Pineda with eXp Realty. I surround myself with the best in-class people in the industry who are driven at finding solutions to help our clients. Here's some more good news. There are contingencies on your behalf that we can put in place to protect you until you find a replacement home. For instance, we can sell your home to a buyer contingent upon you finding a home of your choice within a certain time frame. This way we can secure a buyer and you don't have to sell your home if you don't find the home of your dreams. I know, crazy cool, right?
Yeah, it's pretty powerful stuff. Yeah, I'll say.
This is great because there's so much less stress this way. You won't feel like you've got to just choose a home that you don't absolutely love, and the offer you make on your replacement home will look even stronger because you're already in escrow. My point is, I've got solutions. When you work with me, you can bet I think outside the box to adapt and overcome. Just know, I wouldn't ask you to do anything I wouldn't do myself in those situations. I am constantly learning new strategies to stay ahead of the competition and work with a terrific group of people who pride themselves on serving their clients to the best of their ability. I want selling to be fun, and I want you to enjoy the buying process without the worry. There are many things to consider, questions I need to ask so that I cover all our bases in protecting you and your most valued asset. So give me a call. Even if you're just curious or want to strategize scenarios, I'm more than happy to help. Looking forward to hearing from you. And as always, my name is Omar Pineda, and allow me to elevate your lifestyle.